Hi everyone. I didn't really thought of making this video, but I felt like I needed to talk honestly about something. So lately I am feeling burnt out a lot, like physically, mentally. I feel like I'm feeling very tired from inside. People around me, people in my home, my family, friends, they think that I am doing so good, doing everything all right. For the past few weeks, I have been feeling very overwhelmed. Sometimes I feel like, sometimes it feels, and also I keep doing so many things, but after the day ends, I feel like, what have I done? There are so many things still left, and my mind feels extremely exhausted at that point of time. And even after doing things continuously, I am feeling exhausted. For past few days, I'm feeling like I'm sleeping on time. The moment I wake up the next day, I feel exhausted. Like it's so draining. The day has not even started yet, but I still feel exhausted. Not physically, but mentally. My health is draining. Even the small things are making me feel really tired. I'm thinking of doing a little thing, a very small thing. I can't concentrate. I can't focus on that one thing. And that small thing also feels a lot to me. It feels like it's too much. Currently, I'm studying, and the pressure in the university is a lot. There's a attendance pressure. You have to make presentation, you have to submit that assignment, this assignment. You have to be vocal about your thoughts, you have to act, you have to be very agile, very bold in taking decisions. There is a hell lot of thing to learn about in the university phase. The pressure of doing the best, giving the best in university is something which is draining me. I am a content creator. I used to work like a lot previously before I joined my university. But after joining my university, this social media, this content creation thing is not really happening the way it used to previously. I used to earn money from my social media. Now, as I'm not working, so I'm not getting money, and I don't take money from my parents. I don't take a lot of money from my parents and the necessities. From there also I'm not getting enough money. I'm not able to earn a lot of money. So that is also draining for me. So currently I'm in a state where everything is in my head, but I can't do it in my real life. So I am actually eating a lot of junk food. I'm binge watching. If not, I am like skipping one from one video to another video. I'm not concentrating. Even if I think of doing one task, one very small task, I can't do it. I kept delaying that one task and do another, and I'm delaying that task also. And this is how I am in a loop. I want to work out. I want to take care of my skin. I want to cook, go out, have fun, study. I want to get knowledge about a lot of things. I want to spend time with my family. I want to learn editing. I have a lot of things. I want to grow in social media. I am sleeping enough, but my friends are telling me that don't you sleep or what? You're getting dark circles. Every day I sleep a lot, but still I have dark circles. My hairs are falling. Even after drinking a lot of water, my health is not cooperating with me. As I eat a lot of junk food, I feel bloated. I'm gaining weight as well. So all these things are happening, and nobody is understanding that because people just look you from the outside. They don't make you feel enough comfortable to understand. They just keep pressurizing you. You have to excel this. You can't be average. You have to top in everything. So these are all the things. Certainly, it gets hit, and I am really frustrated right now. So I have to do something about it. I have to do things anyway. But as this is what I've been feeling lately, all these days, I know I have attendance pressure in my college, but still, I did not went to college today. I just slept, watched YouTube. I watched a lot of vlogs. Nothing informative, nothing related to my studies, nothing related to like self growth, nothing like that. Just some alone time. I ate my food. I ate my food. I had my breakfast. I had my lunch, and I am making this video right now. It's evening. It's around 6:30 or 7. I'll have my dinner. I'm not sad, but I just thought like taking a day off and feel everything, whatever I feel good about myself, I'll do that. I'll enjoy my alone time. I'll not think about anything else right now. At least for one day, I can do that. I don't want to fear. I don't want to take a lot of pressure. Just take. I'm just taking time to absorb in myself. I just want to like live freely and not just get pressured. Because all the other days keeps me so active. I just want my mind to like be switch off. I don't want to think. I don't want to plan anything. I just want to go with the flow. So yeah, if anyone feels burnt out, just take the day very slowly, just like I did. And I feel better. I don't have to think about a lot of things right now. So I feel light. And talking about things makes us feel a little light. And with time, I think everything will definitely come along. I have been really hard on myself all these days. So I'll just tell you that take your time. Don't be too hard on yourself and take care. You on. I'll take care of mine. I'll take care of mine. Yeah. Bye, everyone.